Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this doll dress, especially for this doll. So in my channel there is the tutorial videos for this doll, part by part. So now I'm going to do the dress. Okay, let's start. This one blue. I'm going to start with other colors. Okay, I'm going to start with 40 chain. Okay, 40 chain completed. I make 3 chain. Then I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the next chain. Then 1 double crochet. Then increase 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet next. Repeat this. 1 then increase, 1 then increase, like that. Okay, complete this row. We have 60 double crochet. So now we are going to 3 chain. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So we will have 60 double crochet. Okay, I completed the second row, 60 double crochet. Now I'm going to make the third row. So now the third row I divided, you see this one here, 8 double crochet, this part 8 double crochet, and this one, the armhole, 14 double crochet, here 14 double crochet, and here 16 double crochet. So we are going to make in this 8 double crochet. I'm going to make 3 chain. Then I'm going to increase in the next, increase 2 double crochet. Then I'm going to make 1. Then I'm going to increase again, 1, then increase, 1, then increase. So now, okay, now we are going to this part, double crochet, leave this one. I'm marking ready, isn't it? The 14 stitches, we skip that. Okay, now 1 double crochet, then 2, increase 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Okay, we completed this part. Now we are skipping this 14 stitches. We are going to the next 8 stitches, 1 and 2. I'm doing this dress specially for this doll. If other dolls or even for a baby also, you can do based on their size. So now we have both this side 12, this side 12, here 24. Okay, now we are going to, we can take it out, the marking. We are going to make another row of double crochet in each stitch. Repeat this. Okay, we finished this row. Now I'm going to change color. I make 2 chain here. I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Okay, 1 half double crochet. Okay, 1 half double crochet. I'm bringing the orange color together, so because later I'm going to continue with that color. It's not compulsory to do like this. You just follow the pattern, should be enough already. This pattern is an easy pattern. Okay, we completed 1 half double crochet. Now I'm going to change color. White yarn I cut off already. So now we are going to make 3 chain. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet in next 2 stitch. This is considered, now we have 3 double crochet over here. Then we're going to skip 1 single crochet in the next. Then we're going to skip, we are going to make 1 double crochet, then 2 chain, again 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, now we are going to skip 1 and 1 single crochet. Then we are going to skip 1. Next we're going to make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We are going to repeat till the end here. 3 stitch, we are going to make 1 double crochet each, like in the first here. Okay, repeat. Okay, we completed till here. Now we are going to make last 3 stitch with 1 double crochet. Okay, next we are going to make 3 chain. We are going to repeat 1 double crochet in the each 3 double crochet here. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the chain space here. Then we are going to make 2 chain, then 2 double crochet. We are going to make 2 double crochet. Earlier we did 1 this is a V stitch. Now we are going to make 2. Okay, we are going to repeat this. 2 chain, 2 double crochet. Repeat till last. In the last we will make 3 double crochet. Okay, look at this, like this. Okay, repeat. Okay, the last 3 we are going to make 1 double crochet in each. This one, the last 3 will be repeating. Okay, next row we are going to make 3 chain, then 1 double crochet in each. Then we are going to make 3 double crochet in the next chain space. 3 chain and 3 double crochet. We are going to repeat this till the end, and we will finish with 3 double crochet. Okay, now like this. Three double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the chain space. Okay, continue doing this. Like this. You can see first V, then we have 2 here, then the V is 1 1, then 2, now we have 3. Later on we will do 4, that 4 we will maintain for 3 rows. Now repeat this first. Okay, I already complete 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. Now the balance 3 double crochet here. Then 3 chain, then 1 double crochet in next 2. Then we are going to make 4 double crochet in the chain space, then 3 chain and 4. Okay, repeat this in all the chain spaces. This one we are going to make another 4 rows. You can choose what length you want the skirt to be, so you can take. Now I'm going to do another 4 more rows. After that I'm going to change yarn and do 1 half double crochet like a border. Okay, 4 double crochet, 3 chain, 4 double crochet. We completed 4 rows. Okay, after this we are going to cut off the yarn. Now we are going to change color to white. I'm going to pull in white and I'm going to make 2 chain, okay. I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in each stitch. This one consider as a border. Okay, 1 half double crochet to complete this row. Okay, in the chain also we got 3 chain, so we make two half double crochet in the chain, then we complete like this. Okay, like this. Okay, completed. Look at this, the border. So cut off the yarn. Okay, almost finished already the dress. Now we are going to join this dress in the back here like this, but I'm going to join it after I put on the doll. Okay, look at this, so pretty the dress for the doll. Now we are going to join it here. We are going to join it like this. Okay, completed the dress. This part I just join together, then the top part I put button. See, I put this one, I just crochet one single crochet, then I make 6 chain for this one to hook up here on the button. So this one, if you either one you want to in front side also can, front side, back also can. Okay, now it's complete. Okay, follow me in next video for the booties. This one, after that it's complete. Now all this finish already. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.